and welcome to my kitchen. This week's recipe, Ashta. Ashta is a Lebanese cream flavored with aromatics like rosewater or orange blossom, similar to baklava. So if you like those flavors, this recipe is for you to try out. In this recipe, I'll be using orange blossom, graham cracker crusts, a little bit of pistachio, and some vanilla ice cream. We want to start off with the ice cream. Scoop out 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, a generic brand will do, and we want to soften it to reduce to about 1 cup. So 2 cup scoops, and then your graham cracker crust. I like to use these because they freeze pretty well. So and this is going to be a frozen ice cream. Now, once your ice cream has softened and you can maneuver it, add 2 teaspoons of orange blossom to flavor. As you can see, I've poured it on the side. I don't want to go too heavy with the blossom. So once that's combined very well, about 2 to 3 tablespoons per cup. And this recipe is reminiscent of my summers in Beirut, Lebanon, because you go to the beach in the Mediterranean and then you come out and there's these vendors that sell these vanilla ice cream, but it's got these aromatics that you're like, what flavor is that? So divine. Anyway, they dip it in pistachio, and that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go ahead and top it off with ground pistachios, and it's just divine and delicious. So set it into the freezer and then let it thaw just a touch so you get that creamy, beautiful, cooling, refreshing flavors that are just outstanding. Try this, let me know how you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for new East meets West recipes.